When it comes to shaping young minds, the narrative around education and career paths has remained largely unchanged for decades. One of the biggest lies perpetuated by the school system and well-meaning parents alike is this: go to university and you're guaranteed to get a high-paid job. This belief, once a near certainty, is now more misleading than ever. Today, it's crucial to reassess and understand why relying solely on a degree for financial success is a flawed strategy. In the past, a university degree was a direct ticket to a secure, high-paying job. However, the modern job market has transformed dramatically. While studying and obtaining degrees are still valuable, the reality is that many graduates find themselves underemployed, struggling to secure jobs that justify their educational investments. The oversaturation of degree holders and the rapid evolution of industries have diminished the assurance that a degree alone can secure financial success. It's not that education has lost its value. Rather, the way we approach it and the expectations we attach to it need re-evaluation. This brings us to an essential pivot: the importance of starting side hustles while still in university. Diversifying income streams and gaining real-world experience through side hustles can significantly enhance one's financial stability and career prospects. From my own experience, what started as small side ventures eventually grew into multi-million-dollar businesses. These side hustles not only provided financial support during my studies, but also laid the foundation for future success, proving that initiative and entrepreneurial spirit can lead to substantial rewards. Let's dive into the main topic of today's discussion: 7 side hustles students can start this year. These side hustles are practical, globally applicable, and supported by real-life success stories. Each idea will be rated based on 3 crucial criteria: the time required to learn, the initial financial investment needed, and the ease of earning $1,000 per month. Daniel Bitton's success story with faceless short-form content is a testament to the potential of this side hustle. With the ongoing social media platform wars, there is an ever-growing demand for engaging content creators. The strategy involves creating compelling, short videos without ever showing your face, which can be shared across multiple platforms. The ratings for this side hustle are: many dismiss investing as a side hustle, but it's a powerful way to build wealth over time. My personal success with investing began with a disciplined dollar-cost averaging strategy, investing a fixed amount regularly into index funds. This method not only minimizes risk, but also benefits from compound growth over time. Here's how investing rates. Chris Peters' journey illustrates the lucrative potential of building and managing Discord servers. As more communities and businesses move online, the demand for well-structured and managed Discord servers is increasing. The process involves creating, organizing, and moderating servers to meet the specific needs of these groups. Ratings for Discord building are: Jack Jefferson's success story is a prime example of the immense potential within the online coaching space. Whether it's fitness, business strategy, language learning, or personal development, there is a growing demand for knowledgeable coaches in various niches. Starting an online coaching business involves identifying your area of expertise, creating valuable content, and building a client base through effective marketing. With platforms like Zoom, Teachable, and social media, reaching and engaging with your audience has never been easier. The ratings for online coaching are: Mercy's success story in AI animation highlights the transformative power of technology in content creation. AI tools like Runway ML and DALL-E are revolutionizing the animation industry, making it accessible to individuals without traditional animation skills. Starting with AI animation involves learning to use these tools, understanding the basics of animation principles, and creating engaging content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or for clients. Here's how AI animation rates. Ben Gallagher's journey in the luxury resale market demonstrates the significant profit potential in this niche. The luxury resale market thrives on the demand for authenticated, high-quality pre-owned items from brands like Gucci, Rolex, and Louis Vuitton. The process involves sourcing luxury items, verifying their authenticity, and selling them through platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or dedicated luxury resale websites. Ratings for reselling luxury items are: in summary, supplementing your education with side hustles can significantly enhance your financial stability and career prospects. Each side hustle we discussed offers unique opportunities to earn money, gain valuable experience, and diversify your skill set. Whether it's creating content, coaching, investing, or reselling luxury items, these ventures can provide a substantial income boost while you complete your studies. I encourage you to consider starting a side hustle alongside your education. It's a practical approach to securing your financial future and building a diverse skill set that will serve you well in any career path. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment with your thoughts or questions. Your feedback helps us create content that supports your journey to financial success.